Good morning, dear students. Today we will start with the characteristics or the features of business environment. What are the features of the business environment? So first is the totality of external forces. External means जो बाहर के होते हैं. So जब factors outside the business organizations are included in the business environment. Those factors which are outside the business organization but they have the impact on the business directly or indirectly, that is called the external forces. जो बाहर के forces होते हैं पर जिनका असर business में होता है directly या indirectly, उनका असर business में होता है, that is called the external forces. External forces can be technological, political, legal forces. These are the external forces, and the relation between the employers and the employees, it is not included in the external forces. Now the second point is specific and general force. Now the specific and general force. Specific force means which affect your business. The forces which affect योर बिजनेस ओनली, जो आपके बिजनेस को इफ़ेक्ट करते हैं, ओनली योर बिजनेस, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड द स्पेसिफिक फोर्स. फोर्स मतलब जो बाहर के एनवायरनमेंट, बाहर के लोग होते हैं जो, ठीक है. स्पेसिफिक फोर्स, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हियर वन एग्जाम्पल इज देयर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी आर ए मैन्युफैक्चरर ऑफ our leather shoes. Our company is manufacturing our leather shoes, but suddenly what happened, government banned the leather and instead of leather we have to use now rubber. Now what will happen, we are the manufacturer of the leather shoes but suddenly the leather has been banned and in place of leather rubber has been used. So it will affect our business. इससे हमारा बिजनेस बंद भी हो सकता है. हम जो बना रहे थे वही बैन हो गया, अब उसकी जगह हमें रबर यूज़ करना है. So it will have a impact on the business, it will affect our business. This is called a specific force. Clear? And the general forces which affect all the business. अभी जो लेदर वाला एग्जाम्पल दिया था, इट हैज़ इफेक्टेड ओनली आवर बिजनेस. हमारे बिजनेस को फ़र्क पड़ा, हमारा बिजनेस कुछ और बना रहा था और वही बैन हो गया. बट इन द जनरल फोर्स इट विल अफेक्ट ऑल द बिजनेसेस, सारे बिजनेस को अफेक्ट करेगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ़ द GST हैज़ इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 12% to 18%, so what will happen, it will affect all the businessmen, not only ours but it will affect all the businessmen. So that is the general force. Specific force will affect only our business and the general force will affect all the business. Now coming to the third point is interrelatedness. Third is interrelatedness. Interrelatedness means all the specific force and general force both are interrelated to each other. How? For example, if there is a changes in the political, then it will affect the customer as well as the businessman. So that's why they are interrelated. For example, when GST came in existence, what happened? It affected the customer as well as the businessman. So we can say that all the specific force and general force, they are interrelated with each other. Coming to the fourth point, uncertainty. Uncertainty means no one can predict business environment 100% accurately. Uncertainty मतलब कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है. हमने क्या फ्यूचर देखा है, हम फ्यूचर को 100% प्रेडिक्ट कर सकते हैं? नो. एंड इन बिजनेस व्हाट हैपन्स, बिजनेसमैन मेक्स अ प्लान beforehand only. They make the plans for after 2 or 3 years. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम 2018 they have planned for till 2020 or 22, but now what happened? Best example, in 2018 they have already planned for 2020 or 2021, but suddenly in 2020 coronavirus arises. Do we know that the corona will come suddenly? No. And what happened to the business में क्या हुआ? कुछ business तो बिल्कुल ही बंद हो गए, business down में आ गए. GDP came down, suddenly came to the negative. Today's GDP is negative. So we can say that no one can predict business environment 100% accurately. आगे क्या होने वाला है हमें नहीं मालूम है, ठीक है. जैसे कोरोना अचानक से आ गया और अचानक से बिजनेस कितने डाउन चले गए हैं, ये कभी नहीं सोचा था. Now moving to the next point, dynamic nature. Dynamic nature means every day new technology comes. Every day there is some changes in the political policies also. So every day the condition changes, keeps on changing. So it is also called as a dynamic nature because every day something new happens. Some new technologies comes in the market or there is a political changes, so something new happens every day, so it is of a dynamic nature. Next point is complexity means it is very difficult to scan the environment. Again the same point, complexity means बहुत मुश्किल होता है कि आगे क्या होने वाला है इसको predict करना. For example, we do not know that corona will suddenly come and we have already planned that हमारा 2021 में हमारा business कहाँ पहुँच जाएगा और आज हम एकदम से क्या हो गए, डाउन हो गए. So it is very complex to scan the environment. आगे क्या होने वाला है ये हमें भी नहीं पता है. Next point is relativity. Relativity means different business has different environment. अलग अलग business का अलग environment होता है. So the different business has different environment means environment differ from country to country and even region to region. Means the political condition in USA is different from the political condition of the China, or the political condition of India is different from the political condition of the Pakistan. So the condition differs from region to region or state to state. For example, in India sari is given the importance, but in the USA western dress is given importance. So the environment differs from region to region and country to country. So that's why it is called a relative concept. So here we complete the characteristics and the features of the business environment. Hope you have understood this topic. In the next we will start with the importance of business environment. Thank you.